BAC of 0.03 on his interlock. I spoke with him about the incident. We talked about, let's just be honest about this and let you address it. We are asking for an admonishment because it is his first bond violation.
Those wondering, BAC of 0.03 isn't legally drunk in most states. But when you're under bond with a no alcohol at all condition, it's a red flag. It's not about the level, it's about the existence.
He said he went out with friends on Friday, had some to drink. He didn't drive that night, but the following day he didn't know that he was going to be positive when he tried starting the car, and of course the ignition interlock picked on it. I did admonish him that your bond conditions are no drugs, no alcohol whatsoever. It's not only when you're driving, but throughout the pendency of the case. He understands that now. He is just asking if you would give him an opportunity change.
Okay, let's pause. This is his first bond violation, and the ask is just an admonishment. But remember, the system sees patterns. Is this leniency, mercy, or missed accountability?
You had a DWI 2 years ago. Now you've got another one. We tell you not to consume alcohol, yet it's happening anyways. So either you don't care about court orders or you have a problem.
Yes, Judge.
Have you seen how many people we put into custody?
Yes.
I'm now going to put a monitor on your ankle so I know that you're not consuming at all. I'm going to put a SCRAM monitor that detects alcohol through your perspiration 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I don't give a rat's behind what your next excuse is. If I find that you ever test positive for anything else again, I will lock you up. No more PR bonds. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your other ankle, I'm now going to put a GPS monitor and I'm going to give you a curfew.
The judge is dropping hard boundary SCRAM monitors and GPS curfews like it's parole light. What do you think? Too harsh? Or just right for a second DUI?
Of 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. If I find that you're out because I don't want you out in the middle of the night, likewise, you will go into custody. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
It is absolute no tolerance here for it. I don't care what your excuse is from now on. No means no. Do you understand?
So,
Okay?
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Had that recalibration appointment. He's no longer in lockout. And so I think it was just an issue. He did not know he had that recalibration appointment, Judge.
This is not a first bond violation with him, is it?
I think it might be the second, Judge.
Judge, yes, it's the second. The first one was for the same thing.
Wait, he got a pass the first time, and now it's unacceptable. The court just switched gears, and this defendant's about to go from warning to walking with deputies.
Take your time. No rush. Deputy, ain't you going? We need your help. No? Did we let him go the first time?
Yes, Judge.
We didn't take him into custody the first time? Unacceptable. He now goes with you. No?
What did you set his bond at, Judge? 5,000?
What's the last name again?
Flores, Judge?
thank you.
Chris, I really don't know what it's going to take to get your attention that we're not going to stand for anyone endangering our public. Really. I mean, you've had in the last 3 years, 3 very serious cases, and now you're picking up a DWI. All of them are dangerous cases. What's it going to take? A 25-year sentence? Is that what it's going to take to get you to realize? All the stuff here is things that if you just think, they don't have to happen. All the time, all the money,
That 30-day jail warning, it's a big deal. Judges often escalate gradually, but now it's a zone. Think this kind of directness works as a deterrent.
just that you spend coming here can all be avoided by not using. You know what I mean? That's all it takes. From now on, what we're doing today, you're now facing a minimum of 30 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up. Do you understand? No more proverbial slaps on the wrist. What you're pleading to now is a DWI. This DWI will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. You can never take it off. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers.
Let's break this down. One more DWI, and it's a $6,000 fine or time behind bars. That's $100 per day you don't pay. Basically, drink, drive, pay, or serve.
If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty to this case, like I said, it'll go on your record. You can never take it off. Do you understand? You know, the other thing is this, is that your lawyer is asking to waive all the fines and fees. If you ever pick up another DWI, it is a $6,000 surcharge that you will be required to pay. And if you don't pay it, you sit 1 day for every $100 you owe. If you want to get lit, 52 beers, 32 shots of tequila, take a freaking Uber. $40 wherever you want to go in this damn city. Don't kill anyone. How do you plead to the DWI? Guilty or not guilty? Good. I'm going to find you guilty and I'm going to sentence you to 6 days in jail. I will give you credit for the 2 days that you've done. I'm going to suspend your license for 180 days. Don't get into a car. Driving on a suspended license case is just like a DWI. You pick one up, you're going to be right back in here, and it's just not going to go well for you.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated, second offense. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On March 7th, 2025, Officer 1 was dispatched to check by a unit at the 3800th block of Revel Street regarding a minor crash. Officer 1 made contact with Officer 2, who on-viewed a two-motor vehicle accident. Officer 2 observed the defendant operating a silver Ford minivan and crashed with a black Hyundai Santa Fe. Both drivers were moved to a gas station. The witness observed the defendant driving the silver minivan and stated she observed the defendant crash into her. The officer observed the defendant to have bloodshot, glossy eyes and sluggish speech and poor balance. SFSTs were administered, 6 out of 6 clues on the HDN, 5 out of 8 clues on the walk and turn, 3 out of 4 clues on the one-leg stand. The defendant was placed under arrest and read the DIC, and he consented to provide a blood specimen.
It's not back.
No.
Prior DWI, just one from with us or any more?
It looks like there is a pending DWI from Galveston County from back in 2021.
Can you please confirm whether that is actually pending now? Because I'm going to have big issues if that is actually pending. Please.
Absolutely.
I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case, Mr. Wolf. I'm ordering you now.
PR bond revoked, meaning no more personal recognizance. Translation, the judge doesn't trust you to behave without supervision anymore. That's a serious credibility hit.
Just take a seat for me in the jury box. I'm not ready to go forward. I want to know if you have an open DWI. I have found that there's probable cause to go forward with your DWI second in here. You also have another DWI in another county. Stop.
Okay, that was driver without
Stop.
license.
Stop.
Yes, sir.
I don't want you to say anything. I will appoint your lawyer today. But it's unacceptable that you continue to pick up cases here, there, everywhere. Unacceptable. And I don't think that a PR bond is the right thing to do. I'm now going to revoke the PR bond and he goes with you. You're a danger to our community. That's unacceptable.
Just driver.
Stop. I will appoint your lawyer. I don't want you to say anything now. I would like, did you talk to a lawyer? Can you appoint him someone, please? You are not to drive at all. I don't care what you're going, what you need to do. Do not drive. The only thing I'm asking you to do is please don't kill someone on our roads. That's all I'm asking you to do, man. Every single day. We have an intox man, an assault that happens because of this.
Fantastic.
Stop. There is probable cause to go forward. We have trials to determine that, but I have found that they're sufficient to go forward. You've got multiple cases open in another county. It goes with you. I will appoint your lawyer, tell your side to the lawyer, and then we can talk after.
Let's at least try to get it lowered to get you out today.
I'm going to do everything in my power to protect my community
Yes, sir.
at all costs. I don't care who you are. I don't care what color you are. If you're a small farm animal, everything in my power to protect my community.
Yes, sir.
You have 2 open cases in Galveston, and now you've picked up a case here. Does he have a license?
It's not eligible.
You are not allowed to drive. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive, Mr. Wolf. And I want you to understand and hear me crystal clear that if I find that you drive and I don't give a rat's behind what your excuse is, I can have a contempt hearing. You can be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every single time you drive. I don't care that you need groceries. I don't care that a kid has to go to the hospital. I don't care that there's a burning building and you have to save 50 kittens. If you don't have a Texas driver license and liability insurance, then you're not to drive. You now stand charged with the DWI second in this court. I am now also placing an additional restriction on your license that you're not allowed to drive any vehicle that doesn't have a guardian interlock on it. If you're caught driving a vehicle and it doesn't have an interlock on it, because I send notice to DPS in Austin so that every police officer in this state knows you get pulled over, you don't have an interlock on that car, they will take you directly to jail. I'm going to honor your PR bond today, but I'm putting a whole host of restrictions on you. And if I find that you violate these restrictions, I will violate that bond. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You are not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, and I'm telling you, I'm going to test you within the next couple weeks to see whether you are using. If 50 plus days have passed and you test positive for marijuana, it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
The only thing I care are my streets and that they're safe. And if you don't have a license and you ain't got insurance, then you're not going to drive. You will now get a portable device that you're going to take everywhere you go to prove to me that you're not using alcohol.
The keys to this jail cell, powerful words. The judge is putting freedom squarely in the defendant's hands. But will that responsibility stick or slip?
And I'm telling you now, I'm going to test you for weed here momentarily. Hey. They filed 2 surrenders on Mr. Galvan's case. I just need to know your position. I sent you a picture of it. Can you just take a look and let me know what you say? Correct. Okay, just wanted to know. Okay, thanks, Jim. All right, take care. I'm honoring our bond. I'm letting you out. You hold the keys to this jail cell. You know what's expected of you.